Good morning, class 10 students. Today we will continue the same topic, that is T ratio of complementary angles. Today we will solve some more questions about it. Now look here. The first question is here, if sin 3a equal to cos a minus 10 degree, where 3a is an acute angles, then find the value of a. We have to find the value of a. So in question number 1 solution, so we know that sin a equal to what? Cos 90 minus a. Okay, we know that cos 90 minus a equal to sin. In place of a, what is here? 3a. Then here is in place of, look, sin 3a. What is, just writing the question, sin 3a equal to cos a minus 10 degree. Okay, then you can convert either this one or either this one. Okay, just I am converting this one. Sin 3a, it means this one should be written as cos 90 minus 3a. Okay, we know that cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. In place of theta, 3a. 3a is there. Now here is cos in RHS a minus 10. Okay, now look, here is cos, here is cos. Cancel each other, no need to cancel, no need to show here. Okay, so cos cancel. What is left here? 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 10 degree. Now 3 upon there, 90 plus 10 is equal to a plus 3. 3 upon there plus 3a minus 10, come here plus 10. 90 plus 10 equal to 100 equal to 4a. It means 4a equal to 100. 4a equal to 100, then a equal to 100 by 4 equal to 48, 4 5 20, 25. It means this implies the value of a equal to how much? 25 degree. Okay. Now, in the second question, look. In the second question here, if a comma b comma c are the angles of a triangle ABC. A comma b comma c are the angles of a triangle ABC. Then what to show? So that sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Look how to do. Since ABC is a angle of a triangle and we know that the sum of all angle of a triangle measure 180 degree, then since a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, then we can write here a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. Okay, now look here, by 2 is here, so and here b plus c is here and a gone there. It means a should go to the RHS, b plus c should be written as 180 minus a. Okay, by dividing to both sides, b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 equal to how much? 90 minus a by 2. But I'm just doing here, dividing both sides by 2. Okay, dividing both sides by 2. Now look here, in the LHS sign is there, so taking sign both sides, then here is sin b plus c by 2. Sin b plus c by 2 equal to here sin 90 minus a by 2. 90 minus a by 2. Now look here, sin 90 minus theta, in place of theta a by 2 is here. Then sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta and cos a by 2. It means sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2, which is proved. Now look to the third question. Now question number 3. Express in term of T ratio, in terms of T ratio, it means express in terms of T ratio of angle between 0 degree, angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. And 45 degree. It means the question number 1 is sine 75 degree plus sine 75 degree plus cosec 75 degree. Second question is you tan 65 degree plus tan 65 degree plus cot 49 degree. Now look here. Your question is expressed in term of T ratio. It means these are all above 45 degree. These are all above 45 degree. Then we have to convert both degree in between 0 and 45. Then how to do? Look. Question number 1 solution. See, sine 75 degree plus cosec 75. Sine 75 degree plus cosec 75 degree. Then we know that here sine 90 minus how much? 50. 90 minus 50. Look. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. 90 minus 15 equal to 75 plus cosec again 90 minus 15 degree. Okay. Now look. 90 minus 15 degree. 90 degree minus 15 degree is equal to 75 degree. Now look here. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. In place of theta, 15 degree plus cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Then sec 15. Now look here. 15, 15 between 0 to 45 degree. Now in the second question. What is second solution? What is written here? Tan 65 degree plus cot 49. Okay, cot 49 degree. Then this is should be written as tan 90 minus 25 is equal to 65. Look, 10 is here, but 90 minus 25 degree. 90 degree minus 25 degree equal to 65 degree and plus cot, look here, 90 degree minus 41 degree. 90 degree minus 41 degree. 9 plus 1, 10, 4, 4, 1, 9. Okay, now look here. Now tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. What is the value of theta? 25 degree plus cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Then tan 41 degree. Now 25 degree between 0 to 45 and 41 degree between 0 to 5. Okay. Now move to the next question. If sine theta plus 34 is equal to sine theta plus 34 equal to cos theta. Sine theta plus 34 is equal to cos theta, and theta plus 34 degree is an acute angle. is an acute angle. Is an acute angle. Then what to show? So that theta equal to 28 degree. Okay, we have to show that if sine theta plus 34 equal to cos theta and theta plus 34 is an acute angle, then we have to show that theta equal to 28. Okay, now how to solve this one? It's so easy. Now look, sine theta plus 34 equal to cos theta is equal to cos theta. Now look here, sine theta is just solve this one. Cos theta. Cos theta should be written as sine 90 minus theta. That means sine theta plus 34 degree is equal to sine 90 minus theta. We know that sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Now sine cancel each other. Theta plus 34 is equal to 90 minus theta. This theta came here. Theta plus theta equal to 90 minus 34. 2 theta equal to 56 degree. 90 minus 34 equal to 56. Then theta equal to 56 by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16. Then the value of theta equal to 28 degree. Okay.